I like taking something that's messed up and making it pretty again.
I absolutely think there's an art in what we do. You have to be creative and artistic to bring that back to factory OEM specs.
Seeing your art, seeing your dedication, seeing your hours into it.
Just the look on their face that it was possible to have that repair done and then to look brand new again is really a nice feeling.
When you say you like cars, what about the car do you like? And that person like, oh, I love, the cars that have flames on them, and I love, the idea of those cool colors, and you hear everything exterior focused. That's a collision student.
It's fun. You take something that's all beat up, you make it look good again.
One of the misconceptions when you think about the collision industry is it's low pain and dirty work. Everyone assumes you're going to walk into the super dirty shop, I'm going to be covered in grime all day long, and I'm not going to make any money doing it. And it's almost the opposite of that.
I know painters out there making well six figures. I know body men making close to $200,000 a year. There's good money in it, long as you're reputable.
My average body technician is making over $100,000 a year.
I think the other misconception is if you come through collision refinishing, you can only work in a body shop. And that's far from the truth. There's lots of jobs out there, boat building, RV repairs, aviation. It's wide open.
So for a car to get fixed, you're going to need to learn frame straightening, dent pulling. You're going to have to learn how to align the panels, painting, buffing, how to fully detail a vehicle properly, how to get the color to match properly. You're going to learn all that here at wyotech.
You are at school 9 hours a day, 5 days a week. You're already put into a mindset of showing up to work. The other thing that wyotech does really well is they pick instructors who know the industry and have been in the industry, and so they can teach towards habits that are going to be beneficial within our space. wyotech does a really good job about making sure that that foundation is solid.
It's not going anywhere. This industry is not disappearing. There is a massive demand for collision technicians right now. You could knock on every single shop in the entire country and someone's hiring right now.
There's always going to be accidents. You're always going to have cars to fix. We need more technicians.
I would say the person that would choose this program is someone that's creative, someone that maybe struggles a little bit with book work, or they don't feel themselves going to a 4-year university. You like the challenge. If you like to work hard, you'd like to make cars look beautiful again. If that's you, then collision finishing is going to be a good fit.